the subway underground. The snow is falling heavily over town. Walking backwards in the snow, I hide my tracks as I go. The main park birds are singing nice and low, but I ain't got a clue as where to go. There's a winding road ahead of me, I can't figure out where it goes, but if I try, I can make it home. And if I stand by what I know is real, not wander off on some byway, I should be fine, I'll be home to stay. Reaching out to find a place.
Alrighty, so it is. Dogs are going insane today. It is a 2:20. So I don't know what happened. I'm sorry, but yeah, we've just been, I don't know, hanging. I done some reading, cooking, of course, because mom life. Done some cooking and just been working on some crafts and such. Yeah, just been kind of a lazy morning-ish, I guess. I don't know. This is normal, pretty much. But just been kind of a lazy day. We've just been relaxing today. That's what we decided to do for the snowstorm. So it is still coming down like crazy. It is so pretty. What I would like to be doing is sitting in the loft reading a book because it is wonderful over there. But I gotta be up here where the cricket's at. I don't like, this space is a mess, okay? You don't see it. You can see a little bit of it, but it's because it is a disaster because I am messy, especially when it comes to crafting. I'm just a hot mess. So I can't put this in the loft because it's too open and I just can't deal with that mess being out in the open all the time. In my bedroom, I'm fine with it because, well, I don't see it that much. So, what was I saying? Oh, so I can't be in the loft. There's something trying to go down the road. Sounds like a big truck. We're gonna go look. We see nothing. Must have been going to the neighbor. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, I'd like to be up there cozied up reading a book, sipping on some coffee or hot chocolate or something like that. But I got some stuff I need to do, want to do, whatever. What is it, honey? Whatever, same thing. So, gonna get some images cut, gonna do that, and then I don't know. I just wanted to record today because it is the snowstorm outside, and I just figured it'd be fun to record. So, we might venture out into that a little bit in a little bit. Come here. But for now, we're gonna get some crafting done. Yeah, I think we're gonna watch a movie later. The girls and I have been, well, Lily already watched it, but we're gonna watch it together. The whatever it's called, Encanto, and you know, it's a Disney movie. But she liked it, and I told her, I said I wanted to watch that with you, and she didn't know I wanted to watch it with her. So we're gonna probably all, minus Jonathan, watch that later. We're gonna turn it on anyway, and whoever wants to join us watching it, they can. So yeah, that's just what our day's gonna be. I won't have to cook dinner today because I was making dinner last night and decided that I needed to go to the store. So we did. And because we was like, completely, what are you trying to say? We was completely out of produce because we have all been eating it so much more lately. I'm so excited about that. And yeah, we go through phases, and wintertime's usually not really I crave fruits and vegetables kind of time because it's cold, and who wants cold food? But here lately, we have just all been really enjoying it. And so we was completely out, and I was like, I don't want to go to the store, but then I was like, do I really want to go 1, maybe 2, possibly 3, but maybe 2 days? We got 4-wheel drive, so I mean, we could get out if we have to once all the crazy's gone and the ice is gone. But I was like, do I really want to wait and not have fruits and vegetables? Because I know I'll fall back on eating, just making a whole bunch of junk and eating it. So we went out last night and got some, just pretty much produce is what we went out for. What was I saying that for? Oh, and I had dinner almost done, and when I decided to go, and I figured we needed to go right then before it got too late. I don't like being out when it's dark and late and stuff. So I got it finished, and we are going to have that for dinner tonight, is chicken noodle soup. No, I do that all the time. It's chicken and dumplings. It's using the leftover chicken that I made the other day. So we're going to do that. I'll probably make some baked potatoes or roasted potatoes or something, because that really sounds good to me. And I just wanted to come on here so you can see this face. And yeah, I guess we'll pick you back up later. Give you another snow update. It's actually probably, I don't know. So it's supposed to snow here until the winter storm warning is in effect until 10 p.m. tonight, I think. So they was giving us 1 to 3 inches, and then they was giving us 4 to 8 inches. And then last I saw this morning, they're giving us 5 to 11. So that's a big window, but it's, you know, we're excited about it. I used to not be a winter person. I only wanted snow on Christmas, but I've become a winter person, which I think I told you that last time. And I was talking to one of my friends, and she said she only wanted snow on Christmas, that she didn't want this storm. And I told her I think I wanted snow so bad at Christmas this year that it just grew on me, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, that's enough talking. I've been on here for 4 minutes, and we didn't say nothing. So I'll pick you back up later. So I was summoned downstairs. How you doing? To make some hot cocoa. So the kiddos went outside to play in the snow. Huh? Yeah. They went out to play in the snow, and then Nolan came in and hollered and asked if I could make some cocoa. So we're gonna do that, and then I go back up and finish up some decals for cups, some iron-ons for shirts, all the goods. What we're doing. What is that? Why does it look like you got corn in your hair? Me either.
Tell me to make a sandwich. Because I was already covered in snow.
Oh, yeah. Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want.
I don't know how much it snowed. It's very slick snow. Oh, we're good. It's okay. If that makes sense. You can tell it's kind of deep. Yeah. The kids knocked it off of Jonathan's car. You can see there some of it, and it's already getting filled back up. It's pretty deep though. We've had a couple cars going down the road. Trucks anyways, not cars. It is cold, obviously. Trying to not die. So we'd walk down here and look at the road, but I'm already cold. The way the wind's blowing the snow in, and it like melts instantly when it touches my pants. It's pretty though. It's so peaceful. Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's so pretty and peaceful. Okay. I'm going back in. Yeah, I don't know how deep it is. Okay, so got to get this kitchen cleaned up. It is a hot mess in here. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. It's 6:30. We had pizza around, well, what time was it that I made that pizza? I don't know. It was quite a bit earlier though. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up and then we're going to watch that movie. But we'll also still have to eat again. People will, so I really still want my potatoes. I'm gonna get some potatoes going. I'll probably put them in the Instapot because it's just quicker. Put some potatoes in the Instapot after I get this cleaned up, of course, because I can't deal with this mess. And then get some potatoes in the Instapot. All we gotta do is warm up the chicken and dumplings. And then we're just gonna be done for the day. We're gonna just sit, relax, watch that movie. And then by the time movie's over and everybody's eaten, we'll probably eat and then watch the movie. I don't know, we'll see what people wanna do. But by the time that we get to do all that, it'll be bedtime. So I think that's going to be it for this day, for this video. We'll show outside again tomorrow. It is still snowing and it is dark. It's supposed to still snow for like 2.5, 3 more hours. So yeah, we're supposed to have family Christmas day after tomorrow. Don't know if that's going to work out or not. I think, like, we live pretty close to main road. My other sisters, both of my sisters, I think, live pretty close to a main road. My mom and dad, they live kind of close to a main road, but they live down in, like, a holler, like, down in the boonies of the country. So, we don't know if they'll get to do that or not. But whatever. We'll get there. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, shall we say. Right now, we got to clean.
I'm so sorry. You caused you a terrible accident. You lost all your leaves. You tidied.
Oh, may see me.
I'm sorry. Do a rotisserie chicken now.
Struggling, I think.
Sorry to tell you.
Anyways, I gotta get this kitchen cleaned up. Nolan, you need to take Big Daddy and put him upstairs.
What?
Because he don't belong at the kitchen table. He ain't hungry.
He needs to be put in a washer.
But anyways, we're gonna get this cleaned up and then we're gonna watch that movie. As always, remember to show grace, be content, and live blessed. Until next time. Bye, guys.